So I know this is kind of overdue with the vlog and all that, but I've had a project that's been going on. I think you'll really like this one. So I have something coming to you. I'll show you what it is later. But I'm headed to school at the moment right now, so I can't vlog for the whole day. But I have a light coming. Now I ordered this light because I'm shooting a music video. I edited parts of the music video already, but so far it's going very great. So I can't wait to show you guys the end result and the finished product. I think you'll like that. So yeah, so since the music video is underway, I've been very busy. We don't have exams at my school. We have these things called exhibitions. So instead, you show off what you've learned throughout the year. So let's say I learned math. I learned volume in math, for example, how to calculate volume, how to calculate surface area. Believe it or not, I flunked math in middle school. Sorry, not in middle school. Did I say middle school? I flunked math in high school in grade 9, and that was not good. I was horrible. And now it's one of my top classes. I'm pretty proud of it. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but I am proud of it. When I was in middle school, my teacher literally did not teach me math whatsoever. So I have ADHD, right? So she sat me on a computer. Okay, figured that the computer would fix my problem, and she didn't teach me anything. So she let the computer teach me. So that's where the problem kind of gets created. My battery is about to die, but it's really, really quiet out there. I'm really surprised. Usually there's some noise going on around here, but an 18 to 55 millimeter lens at an aperture of 1.8. Price range? I don't know. But if we're talking about the awesome factor, that's like 1,000. That's crazy. I don't know if that exists. I tried looking for that. I didn't find anything. But that'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. I would spend like $2,000 on that lens. Definitely. So I promised you that I had, look at these sick gloves. These are very, 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 very decisive. All right. You would think that my fingers are in one big pocket, right? But they're actually individualized. Really cool. Anyway, so I told you I had something. I was arriving, a light. And that's correct. My light supposedly arrived already. So I'm gonna go and check that out. Look at this monster, all strapped up, ready to go. But yeah, the vlog's been, I've just been really busy. We have exhibitions. We don't have, like I said, we don't have exams. We have exhibitions. I think I didn't really finish that. So exhibitions are essentially where you have an hour, right, and talk about what you learned instead of writing an exam, which I think is kind of pointless. And so did the school board that entrusted these in Canada. There's only 2 of these, but entrusted these to be made in Canada and created them. So it's really, really great, really great. But yeah. This dead cat is just getting pelted with snow. But it's doing a pretty good job so far. I like it. Hopefully it sounds good. But yeah, the music video, we're going to go shoot that in a few days. And I'll probably vlog that. Will I vlog that? I don't know. But either way, I just want to show you guys this light. Got it. Let's just look at this thing for one whole second. I just love this skateboard. Like, this is a custom board. It's great. Maple wood. Not supposed to snap in half, but crazy glue. Crazy glue. I hate that chip right there. I hate that. Hey, look how bad that looks. That's a nice board. Get those nice colors. Really sick board. Plus these crazy stickers I got. Haven't skated on these at all. I skated I think once. Or I don't even remember if I skateboarded on these, but yeah, I'm just waiting until all the snow melts so I can skate again. Good luck. So, this right here, now that this is completely done with, I can finally open it and tell you guys what this thing's about. Someone's calling me, so I'm trying to make a video here right now, so I can't really YouTube videos. I can't really talk, you know. Yeah, so I'll talk to you later, okay? Yeah, so I really wish I could show you guys what I've been working on. but I can't. So yeah, that's okay. We can talk about the light. Like I was trying to say, the reason why this light is so good and just bang on is that because I'm shooting a music video. It's light. You might be like, yeah, it's light. Of course it's gonna be nice. I know, but to photographers and cinematographers, light is important, especially for cinematographers, because it can be a lot more challenging to bring back things in video than it is in photos. So let's just rip this open. Never was neat with opening packages anyway. This is the light, yeah, the Godox 64 LED continuous lighting LED kit. Now this is I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. This is powered by 4 AA batteries. It's really great. I mean, it'd be cool if it was with a battery pack, with a rechargeable battery pack, but if that battery dies and you're out in the open, it's kind of screwed, especially if you're in the cold. But with those, you just bring some extra batteries, pop it on, or some extra battery packs if it had a battery pack. But no, these are good. This is just straight Chinese. That's Chinese. It's Chinese. So you know, if it's quality, if the quality isn't as great, then you know why. Look. God. There we go. Look at that. So yeah, here's the light though. It's really small, but I mean, it's all in English in the back, which I admire that. It's completely in English, which I do like. It's really small though. It's not as big as I was expecting. But I mean, I was expecting it to be decently small. But for what it is, it actually does seem pretty damn good. Like I feel like if I were to drop this thing, it wouldn't break on the first drop. Maybe it's the third drop, or maybe the second drop. But I mean, it doesn't feel incredible, but it feels good for what it is. I do like it. I do like how it feels. There we go. I brought down my ISO all the way to 1600. I just bumped it up in post, but yeah, it's not as bad as I thought it was. It's cool looking at it, but you guys really just want to see what it can do, and so do I. This is nice. I do like this light so far. It's really good. It'll fit well in your camera bag, so you don't have to worry too much about that. Yeah, you can have like a bunch of different angles here. This is nice. Just illuminate a whole entire face. Jesus. Alright, dramatic look. Okay. Oh my god. This light is insane. I was literally like a good 10 feet away and it just lit it up. Even on the lowest setting it was pretty good. But the highest setting, oh, that blew me away. That was crazy. That was pretty crazy. This light is powerful. This light is powerful. Happy to use this. I just wish I had a sheet though. And the fuse isn't really that big of a deal if you're gonna be filming. It's just a desired look, really. It's not needed. It's just a desired look. Yeah. So that's just been that. I guess I want to show you guys what was going on. I just really want to talk about this thing here. This light. Yeah. If you want to get this, go get it. It's in the description. And yeah. But the Godox LED 64. This is the lowest version they have. I'm assuming. This is all I've seen. And it's not low at all. Like, holy crap. It's very small. Very small. Very, very, very bright. I was very, very surprised. Usually you have the longer formed one, but this one is very compact. I would say that's a problem. That's not a problem already. So, might be the only problem is this light right now. It emits like a hissing noise, and that was only when it was at its lowest setting, which was alright. And then as you went up to the high setting, it got really loud. But when you hit the high setting, it just completely disappeared. So, just keep that in mind if you're doing really close-up things where you need the microphone. Then yeah. I mean, you're probably not gonna be using your microphone at like the same time. You can do the whole, the second arm setup where you have one thing here and one thing here. But great light, amazing light. Matter of fact, we're gonna buy this light, like I said, in the description down below. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. I just want to talk about this light. It wasn't that much filled with B-roll, but it was alright. It was good. So my name is dsLR. I'll see you guys in the next video coming up this week. Music video is coming out soon. Can't show you guys it. I know I said maybe, but I can't show you. But you'll like when it comes out. I promise. So yeah, my name is dsLR. I will see you very soon.